eye on the bottom corner, let's draw a large oval. And then hop inside and let's draw another oval in the center. And then color both of these in black. And then inside the eye, let's draw another small circle on the top left. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the nose with the curve up and back down. And then hop down again and let's draw a curve across for the top of the mouth and a curve underneath. Next, inside of the top, let's draw two small angles down and a curve across for the teeth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start next to the eyes and let's draw a curve down and in on both sides. Now from the top of the left side, let's continue the line up higher like this. Now let's add the hair on top. Start on the top left and let's draw a curve down and then curve it down to the eye. And then curve it up from the bottom. Now let's draw another curved piece down between the eyes and then a smaller one next to it. Piece, let's curve it to the right and back up. And then a larger one curving down next to the eye and back up. Now let's hop back over to the top left and let's draw 3 points going up. Then let's curve it over to the right and back in. Underneath, let's draw another wavy point out, a curved piece underneath, and then curve it back down to the side of the head. Now let's move over and let's finish drawing the left side. Let's draw a curved piece down, a wavy one underneath, and then curve it into the head. Lastly, for the head, let's move in and let's draw the left eyebrow. Underneath the hair here, let's draw a point down and back up. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. We'll start under the head and let's draw two curves down and out for the neck. And then let's continue it out on both sides. Now let's draw a curve across for the top of the dress. Next, underneath the shoulders, let's draw a curve down, and the same on the right for the sides of the body. And then a curve across for the waist. Next, from both sides, let's draw a curved line down and out for the sides of the skirt. And then a wavy line across the bottom. And lastly, inside, let's draw two curves coming up from the bottom like this. Now let's move back up and let's draw the arms. Let's continue the shoulder lines by curving it down. Now let's move in and let's draw another set of angles. Now for the bottom of this line, let's bring it towards the skirt, curve it around, and back up. and the same on the right side. Now let's draw a small curve up, and then an angled line to close off both arms. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath, on the left, let's draw 2 lines down, and the same on the right, angling them slightly inwards. Now for the bottom, let's angle it out to the feet. And then a curve across the bottoms. And that's it for Joy. Now let's quickly color it in.